mile are we at, guys?
205.
Bless you.
Excuse me. Excuse me, folks.
Halfway there, guys. The sun is out. Life is good.
I'll just leave the camera on, okay?
Yeah. What are we looking at?
You.
Behind us?
You.
Me? You looking at me? Yeah? You looking at me? You talking to me? Talking to me?
And just one for the camera.
Yeah.
I was actually here. There's no other pictures of me.
Wants to talk to us.
Outside, and down the way inside, outside. Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing, surfing USA. Outside, outside, Pacific Palisades. Outside, San Onofre Anson. Redondo Beach, LA. Outside, all over the Hawaii. Hawaii, Bay. Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA.
Yeah, look at these clouds.
Only another 24 hours to go. We're there.
Right? Right.